Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my little hack on toning brassy tones out of brown hair. So as you can see, my hair is quite light brown-ish with some highlights. I have some balayage highlights in here, and the tone is quite brassy, orangey, a bit yellow tones where the highlights are. Not the look I really would like at this time. So I'm going to show you my quick hack on what I do to fix that up. Okay, so we're inside and we're going to get started. So all you need to get this done is just a regular shampoo and conditioner, the one that you use kind of every day, and some blue hair dye. So I actually use Joico semi-permanent blue, cobalt blue, but pretty much any blue hair dye will work for brown hair, and you can even do this for blondes as well, but I would use purple hair dye for blonde hair if you want to tone it up and get rid of any of those yellow, harsh yellowy tones. And the blue works really great for darker hair, getting rid of those brassy kind of orangey tones. So I usually just do this right in the shower. I'll wash my hair first, and then I will use the blue hair dye with some conditioner. So I will show you step by step what I do. I'm gonna go wash my hair and come back. Okay, so hair is washed and we're gonna get going with the toner. So I would just make sure to remove any important rings or jewelry. I even would recommend using gloves, but I'm super lazy and I'm just gonna do it without gloves. I don't mind if my hands get a tiny little bit stained. You can use a bowl or your hand. I basically just use my hands. So I'm taking my regular conditioner that I use on a daily basis. This is just a regular moisture conditioner. Use about that much or maybe a little tiny bit more. Then we're going to take the blue hair dye and we are going to just add about a small, like fingertip amount into the conditioner, just a little ball up like that. Not very much. You can mix this with, if you're using a bowl and a spoon or something. I just use my fingers because I don't really care about getting them stained. Usually if you do just use it in your hand like I do, honestly, it washes off within a day. So you don't really have blue hands for very long. Alright, it's all mixed up together. Oops. And then we're just going to go ahead and put it right into your hair. So I'm going to leave this in my hair for about 5 minutes. I wouldn't leave it any longer, honestly. You can probably leave it for up to 10 minutes, but if your hair is needs a lot of toning, if it's super brassy, but yeah, you don't want to start turning your hair blue. So I would just leave it for about 5 minutes. Usually that's enough time to finish washing in the shower, etc. And then just wash it out. So yeah, it's in my hair. I'm gonna wash it out in about 5 minutes and we'll show you the results. And we're back. So this is the final result. As you can see, hopefully you can tell that the hair is actually a much more neutral. You don't really see those brassy tones any longer. Yeah, it's now more of a light brown. You can see the highlights, but it looks much better. So, good luck and thanks for watching.